Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Rocket Bubble Machine. First, carefully unpack all the components from the box. Next, install the required batteries into their designated compartment, ensuring correct polarity. Then, securely attach the bubble solution container to the machine. Finally, make sure the bubble nozzle is clear and unobstructed for optimal bubble production. Now, let's get those bubbles flowing. Carefully pour your favorite bubble solution into the machine's reservoir, being careful not to exceed the maximum fill line. Once filled, simply press the power button to activate the machine. Remember to point the Rocket Bubble Machine in a safe direction, away from faces and delicate items, to begin your bubble adventure. To keep your Rocket Bubble Machine in top condition, proper maintenance is key. After each use, rinse the solution container thoroughly with clean water. Gently wipe the exterior of the machine with a damp cloth to remove any residue. For long-term storage, always remove the batteries. Store your machine in a cool, dry place to ensure it's ready for the next bubble-filled occasion. If your bubble machine isn't producing bubbles, first check the battery power and replace them if needed. Next, ensure the bubble solution level is adequate in the reservoir. Sometimes, a quick clean of the nozzle can clear any clogs. With these simple tips, you'll be back to enjoying continuous, delightful streams of bubbles in no time. Get ready for endless fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.